Reflection on the course redesign process paper is 10% of your final grade. It's due towards the end of the semester, so on the 6th of May. I'm asking you to submit it a little early so that I can have a look at it and give you an opportunity to redo the assignment if necessary. So, what is this paper about? This paper is a reflection on all that we have done over the semester. So it's a synthesis of your learning from the course. You're going to bring it all together and look at it in the context of adult learning and how to redesign a course. So, in this particular paper, the focus is going to be on two sections. One is when you're redesigning a course and moving it from the face to face to the online environment, what are the issues that should be considered and addressed? So, this is directly related to the semester long project that you've done. And what were the things that you considered when you were doing this redesign of your module? So, thinking back on that, you're going to talk about the issues that need to be considered. The other section of the paper is going to be focused on what are the key issues that you should think about when using technology with adults. Now, the course itself is using technology with adults, and we've read a lot about adults, the physiology of adults, their um, learning preferences, so to speak. We've learned about motivation. We've read about learning theories, specifically in the adult learner context. We've also read about presence and engagement. And so, how do all these things come together when you're using technology with adults? And your paper should be substantiated by peer reviewed literature. Now, you can draw readings from the course, you can take readings from outside. I don't have any problems with that, but it has to be substantiated from the literature. So, if you tell me that adults like to be self directed learners, I expect some kind of theoretical backing to substantiate that claim. Now, your paper, on the whole, 5 to 8 pages long. You're using APA formatting style, which means you have 1 inch margins, you have double spaced, your references have to be APA style, and you should cite the relevant texts for this particular paper. And how am I grading you? The rubrics for this. I'll be looking at the content and how comprehensive is your response, appropriate, is it relevant to what is being asked of you, and the quality of your writing. And that's going to be a bulk of it. That's 40 points. Your APA citation style, I'm only assigning 5 points to that, and clarity, communication is 5 points. But remember, clarity and communication can also overlap with the quality of your writing, so kind of falls in both areas. So I'll grade the paper out of 50 points, but it's worth 10% of your final grade. This is a great place to just think back on the course and bring together everything that we have discussed and come to something that you can walk away from, so that at your work spot or wherever you are, if you are posed questions on your philosophy of teaching or what is your stance on technology, you have a theoretical um, framework to lean back on. You have something to talk about from a research based framework.